Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a Range Rover Vogue 2016. And what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in factory style CarPlay and Android Auto system onto the original factory screen. So as you can see, that is the original screen. We have not changed it. We've integrated onto the factory screen, so everything stays original. So the way you switch to the new system is if you press navigation. That brings up the new system, as you can see there. This gives you access to full CarPlay, you get full Android Auto, and you also get access to a reversing camera. If you go for that option as well, you can put it onto your car. So that's a nice little neat extra you can do on top. It will also do phone mirroring as well, so you can do full phone mirroring, allowing you to mirror what's on your phone onto the screen. Now the way this system works is fully wireless, so as you can see, no wires connected. You can pretty much wirelessly connect your phone to the system and it will give you CarPlay. So as you can see, that's the CarPlay system. This allows you to use any app that's supported on the CarPlay on your screen. So you got like maps, WhatsApp, tuning radio, and any kind of apps that you use will come up on here. Yeah, so if you got Android Auto, you get Android Auto come on top. So you also got a full phone mirroring as well. So for when you connect it through the cable, it will mirror what's on your phone onto the screen. As you can see, what's on the phone is now on the screen, and obviously you can watch YouTube now, and obviously anything like Netflix and stuff. You can see it comes on full screen, directly streaming from your phone onto the system. So yeah, this is the full factory integration kit we can do for your Range Rover or Land Rover. So give us a shout if you want one done. Thank you.